Hello everyone, welcome to today's presentation. Today we deal about the DNA repair mechanisms. In the previous class or in the previous presentation, we have deal about the DNA damage and mutations. So if you are new for this channel, please hit the subscribe button and become members within this channel. Okay, today we discussed about the DNA replication mechanisms, how it will be repaired damaged DNA and the mechanisms that are involved. So when we come up to the introduction, what does that mean? DNA repair or damage repair mechanism? እንግዲህ ባለፈው ትምህርታችን እንዳየነው ዲኤንኤ ሙቼትድ ወይም ደግሞ ለሙቴሽን ሰሴፕቴብል ነው ወይም ዳሜጅድ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ይህን ዳሜጅ ደግሞ እንዴት ነው ሪፔር ማድረግ የሚቻለው የሚሉትን ዛሬ እንመለከታለን ማለት ነው። ሶ DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, is the only macromolecule that is nucleic acid that can be repaired from mutations or damage. So unless there is a DNA repairs, there may occur in mutation DNA, right? DNA can be susceptible for mutation. DNA ሊሆን ይችላል, mutated ሊሆን ይችላል. Different factors can lead to mutations of DNA. One chemical factors, the other one physical factors, and the third one is biological factors. So the DNA structures that can be damaged in a number of different ways or different factors like chemical factor, radiation, and so forth. That is may or physically or chemically can be damaged or mutated. The other one, incorrect base pair may be incorporated during DNA replication processes, right? እንግዲህ ባለፈው እንዳየነው ዲኤንኤ ሙቴሽን ወይም ደግሞ ዲኤንኤ ዳሜጅ በተለያዩ ነገሮች ዳሜጅ ሊሆን ይችላል። ዋን ፋክተር ኢዝ ኬሚካል ፋክተር ነው፣ ላይክ እንደ ናይትሪዮስ አሲድ የምንላቸው ዳር ሊዲንግ ፋክተር ናቸው። ራዲሽን ወይም ደግሞ ዩቪ ራዲሽን ኢዝ ኦልሶ the one that damages the DNA structures. ዋን ኢንኮሬክት ቤዝ ፔሪንግ ወይም ደግሞ ስህተት የሆነ አንድን ቤዝ ለምሳሌ አደናይን ከጓንዲ thiamine ነው guanine ከሳይቶሲን ነው ነገር ግን if there is what incorrect base pairing thiamine with guanine cytosine with adenine cone that is why leads to mutations. So here DNA repair mechanism, if the cells are allowed to replicate or DNA replicate can do multiple copy of a DNA using damaged template ከሆነ እንደዚህ damaged የሆነውን DNA ወይም ደግሞ mutated የሆነውን DNA የምንጠቀም ከሆነ it is susceptible for high risk of cancers and mutations. It leads to there is high risk of introducing stable mutations or that the mutation or the damage is passing from the parent to the offspring. ስለዚህ ከሰዎች ወይም ደግሞ ከአባት ከእናት ቀጥታ ወደ ልጆች ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ያ ሚውቴሽን ወይም ደግሞ ዳሜጁ በቴምፕሌት ስለሚጠቀሙ ወይም ደግሞ ዳውተር ሴልስ one of the strand is the template strand is originated from the parental or the marital status. So thus may defect in repair carries an increase the risk of many genetic diseases like cancer. So multiple repair system has been evolved to repair or to manage mutations before DNA can be replicated. So the DNA repair mechanisms are mentioned below, just mismatch repair mechanism, base excision repair mechanism, nucleotide excision repair mechanism, and double strand break mechanism የምንላቸው እንግዲህ ወሳኞቹ ናቸው። So let's try to see each repair mechanisms individually. እንግዲህ በመጀመሪያ የምንመለከተው nucleotide excision repair mechanism ነው ማለት ነው. That is why it's very important to remove what damaged or that is what mutated nucleotides, basically what dimers or pyrimidine dimer or thiamine dimers, thiamine particularly thiamine to thiamine linkage is a thiamine dimer now. That is why the damaged form of the nucleotide can be removed, but it can be susceptible to be mutated or damaged by UV light. እንግዲህ ይሄ ዳይመር ወይም ደግሞ pyrimidine dimer or thiamine dimer ሊመጣ የሚችለው አንደኛ ሊዲንግ ፋክተር UV light ወይም ደግሞ ultraviolet radiation ነው ማለት ነው። the other one environmental mutagens ወይም ደግሞ mutagenic chemical ሊሆን ይችላሉ or the other one is chemotherapy drugs ሊሆን ይችላሉ ማለት ነው። So by excising or cutting or cleaving the damaged part, እንግዲህ damaged የሆነውን ወይም ደግሞ mutated የሆነውን DNA or ዳይመሩን ምን ማድረግ exceed or cut ማድረግ ነው መቁረጥ ማለት ነው and using the intact strands as a template ያን ወይም ደግሞ አንዷን ስትራንድ በመጠቀም እንደ ቴምፕሌት በመጠቀም እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው። አፕሮፕሪየት የሆነውን ዲኤንኤ ኒውክሊዮታይድ ሲንቴሳይዝ እና ሲንቴሳይዝ ኤ ኒው ዲኤንኤ patch that matches the template ማለት ነው። So preventing mutations, right? Basically, this nucleotide excision repair mechanism is very important to prevent excisions, the mutations and reduce the risk of the zero, that's the XCP, that is xeroderma pigmentosum. So damage repair is very important. What the importance of this damage repair or DNA damage repair is very importantly that UV-induced thymine dimer can be what induced or repaired chemical adducts from carcinogen or platinum adducts from that of chemotherapy drugs are very importantly repaired by nucleotide excision mechanisms. So DNA repair mechanism is very importantly, particularly for the nucleotide excision mechanism can be following these steps. ኒክሎታይድ ኤክሲሽን ወይም ደግሞ ታያሚን ዳይመር ኦር ፓይራሚዲን ዳይመር ሪሙቭ ለማድረግ ወይም ደግሞ ሪፔር ለማድረግ ስቴፖች እንከተል። የመጀመሪያው ምንድነው? ዳሜጅ ሪኮግኒሽን ነው። which is the damaged part, where is it found? ሪኮግናይዝ ማድረግ አለበት፣ እውቅና መስጠት ወይም ደግሞ ማወቅ አለበት። that is why the protein detects the DNA distortion or damage ማለት ነው። the other one or the next step is what? Unwinding DNA helicase enzyme unwinds the DNA around the lesions or the damage ማለት damaged የሆነውን ወይም ደግሞ የተጎዳውን አካል የተጎዳውን ፓርት ምን ማድረግ ነው? unwind and open the double strand ማለት ነው። So the next one is incision where this endonuclease enzyme makes cut, right? breaks on both sides እዚህ ጋርም ሊሆን ይችላል፣ በዚህኛው ሳይድ በዚህ መካከል ወይም ደግሞ ይሄ ምኑ ካለን ማለት ነው፣ ይሄ ሮ ካለን እዚህ ጋር እስቲ ዳሜጅድ ከሆነች ምን ማለት ነው? in both sides cut ማድረግ ወይም ደግሞ ክሊቭ ማድረግ ይኖርብናል on both sides of the damaged side. The other and the next is excision ነው። ክሌቭድ አድርጎ ወይም ደግሞ ቆርጦ ማውጣት ማለት ነው። damaged segment is removed from the strands ከስትራንድ ውጭኛው ምን ማድረግ ነው? ሪሙቭ ማድረግ ወይም ደግሞ ክሌቭድ ከቆረጥን በኋላ ሪሙቭ እንዲሆን እንዲወገድ ማድረግ ነው። the other synthesis of new strand that will fill the gap ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር መካከል እንግዲህ የኛው ስትራንድ ወደዚህ ሄዳል፣ እቺኛው ስትራንድ ወደዚህ ያለች ማለት ነው። እቺኛው እንግዲህ ክሌቭድ ሆና ወጣለች። ጋፕ እንዳይፈጠር ወይም ደግሞ ክፍተት እንዳይኖር ምን ይደረጋል? ጋፕ ይሞላል ማለት ነው። በምን አማካኝነት? ሲንቴሳይዚንግ ዋት ዲኤንኤ ፕራይመርስ በማዘጋጀት ስሩ ዲኤንኤ ፖሊመሬዝ ኢንዛይም ፊልስ ዘ ጋፕ ዩዚንግ ዲ undamaged DNA template strands as what synthesizing new DNA strands ማለት ነው። the last one is ligation or ligase enzyme can fill or can what seal the gaps በመካከል ላይ ያሉትን በየ ስትራንዱ ወይም ደግሞ በዚህ መካከል አንዳንድ ነገሮች ወይም ክፍተቶች ካሉ that will lead to seal ያደርጋል ወይም ማሰር ማለት ነው። ምን ማድረግ ማለት ነው? ማሰር፣ ማገናኘት፣ ክፍተቱን መሙላት ማለት ነው። good, so look at this is the repair mechanism thiamine dimers or nucleotide the repair mechanism is what we call this is thiamine dimer or pyrimidine dimer ነው። that is just this is thiamine is directly what joined with adenine and this is adenine is paired with thiamine. So thiamine and adenine can be paired, but when there is ultraviolet light apply የምናደርግ ከሆነ ወይም ደግሞ suscepted ከሆኑ ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? it forms what thiamine dimer። እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት አደናይን thiamine ፔር የነበረው ይቆረጥና ምን ይፈጠራል ማለት ነው? thiamine dimer ይፈጠራል። so this is what the damaged part or this is why the pyrimidine dimer እንለዋለን ማለት ነው። so how it will be repaired? እንዴት ነው repaired የሚሆነው? the first one is አንኤክሲሽን ሪኮግናይዝ ተደርጓል፣ ኦልሬዲ ታውቋል ማለት ነው። ከተደረገ በኋላ ኢንዶኒውክሌዝ ኤክሲሽን ኢንዶኒውክሌዝ ኢንዛይም ሚክስ ኦር that is why cleaves in the phosphodiester linkage or inserts backbones of the damaged strand on both sides cleaved ያደርጋል። እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት እቺኛዋ ዳይመር ናት። እዚህም ጋር ምን ያደርጋል ማለት ነው? እዚህም ጋር ይቆርጣል ማለት ነው። ምክንያቱም ይሄኛው ምንድነው? this was the damaged part ስለሆነ ማለት ነው። so excision endonuclease ክሌቭስ እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት ቆርጣ ወጣቸው ማለት ነው። እቺኛዋ ተቆርጣ ወጣች ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ይሄ ስትራንድ እና ይሄኛው ስትራንድ መካከል ምን ተፈጠረ ማለት ዲፍ that is why gap ማለት there is the formations of a gap in between the two sides ማለት ነው። so the two sides can be filled by DNA polymerase enzymes. This is DNA polymerase 1 fills the gap by synthesizing other DNA primers in the directions of 5 prime to 3 prime directions using undamaged strands as a template ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት ምንድነው undamaged strandን ወይም ደግሞ ዲኤንኤ ፖሊመሬዝ ምን ያደርጋል ያዘጋጃል ማለት ነው። then there may be a gap or there may be what somehow it's a gap that will be filled or that sealed or nicked by DNA ligase enzyme can form so continuous strand or continuous ያደርጋል እዚህ ጋር ያለችውን ጋፕ ምን ያደርጋል እንዲሞላ ያደርጋል ኒክስ ኦር ሲል ማለት ማሰር ወይም ደግሞ ክፍተቱን መሙላት ማለት ነው። Good. So the next type of the DNA repair mechanism is base excision repair mechanism. This is a very important or crucial mechanism by which fixing small non-helices or non-helix, that is why distorting or damaged DNA repair mechanism from what oxidation, deamination, and that of alkylation. That is basically very important to prevent from what mutations. ሚውቴት እንዳያደርግ ኦክሲዴሽን ካለ ዲያሚኔሽን ወይም አልካይሌሽን ነገሮች ካሉ በተለይ ደግሞ ስሞል ነን ሄሊክስ ነው ሄሊካል ወይም ደግሞ ሄሊካል አይደለም በጣም ስሞል ቤዝ ሊዥን ነው it corrects what small base lesions በጣም ትንሽ የሆኑ ቤዝ ፔሪንግን ወይም ደግሞ ቤዝ ዳሜጅ ነው ሪፔር ማድረግ የሚችለው that do not significantly distort the DNA helix structure DNA helix structure ወይም double strand ምን ያደርግም ማለት ነው significantly repair ማድረግ አይችልም it works by DNA what glycosylase enzymes removing the faulty ወይም ደግሞ ስህተት የሆነውን ቤዝ በማስወጣት በዲኤንኤ glycosylase enzyme አማካኝነት ነው ለምሳሌ deamination ካለ that is why deamination can lead to missing base pairings miss base pairing or such for example the best example cytosine no cytosine is one of the nitrogenous base which becomes what deaminated spontaneously by acid nitrous acid to what uracil በአሲድ አማካኝነት የሳይቶሲን ወደ ምን ወደ ዩራሲል የዲያሚኔት የመሆን እድሉ ከፍተኛ ነው በምን አማካኝነት nitrous acid this is a chemical damaging chemicals so this leaves us an improper base pairing that is why guanine ከሳይቶሲን የነበረው ሳይቶሲን ወደ ምን ሆኗል ወደ uracil deaminated ስለሆነ it has guanine is basically paired with or particularly paired with uracil which is eliminated by base or with removed by a base excision repair mechanism again this is cytosine that is why within the presence of an acid that is why removing or the deamination removal of amino group from a particular the substance ማለት ነው deamination amino group removed or minus ስናደርገው it becomes what oxygenated that is why here the it becomes what uracil ይሆናል ማለት ነው uracil ይሆናል ሳይቶሲን የነበረው እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት አሚኖ ግሩፑ ክሌቭድ ሲደረግ ወይ ዲያሚኔት ሲደረግ ወደ ምን ይመጣል ማለት ነው ወደ uracil therefore uracil is paired with guanine ይሆናል that is incorrect base pairing ይፈጠራል so the uracil glycosylase enzyme recognize and remove the uracil base from pairing within that of the guanine ጋር እንዳይል ማለት ነው ፔር ከሚያደርገው ማስወጣት በዚህ ኢንዛይም አማካኝነት uracil glycosylase enzyme leaving an a pyrimidinic site in the DNA strands እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት this is what uracil is directly paired with guanine but uracil glycosylase enzyme cleaves or removes the uracil that is why incorrect base pair or base is removed or left from the sequence and it becomes what apurination or pyrimidination with heat right heat ነው እንግዲህ እናደርገዋለን ማለት ነው that is why it becomes what within an endonuclease nick the backbones of the damage look at the gap ተፈጥሯል ምክንያቱም uracil ስለተወገደ ማለት ነው apuridinic endonuclease enzyme fills the gap on that way makes 5 to prime እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት ጋፕ ተፈጥሯል ደግሞ ክፍተት ተፈጥሯል ማለት ነው ስለዚህ DNA polymerase enzyme can prepare what strands from 5 prime to 3 prime that will fill the gap እንዲሞላ አድርጎ within that contains what cytosine ያዘ ማለት ነው additional nuclease enzyme actions removes a few more bases and the gap is filled by DNA polymerase 1 enzyme and DNA ligase can seal the nick or the repair strands ምን ያደርገዋል ማለት እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት nick ያደርገዋል ያስረዋል ማለት ነው DNA ligase good so let's try compare within that of base excision repair mechanism within the nucleotide excision repair mechanisms Base excision repair mechanism repairs what a small lesions of DNA damage that does not distort the helix or the double strand of the DNA. That is what simply single base can be what repaired. So nucleotide excision repair mechanism is a bulky is what large segment of nucleotide sequence can be fragmented and repaired, significantly distort the DNA helix structure, such as thiamine dimer or pyrimidine dimers. That is why thiamine with thiamine 2 nitrogenous base can be claimed as a time. So what the importance of this DNA repair mechanisms, or what is the relevance or the medical importance is what? One, maintaining genomic integrity by preventing what? Mutation. It can prevent mutation and it can lead to what? The repairing the mutation and leads to what? Normal DNA replication. That's why the correct base pair can be what? Undergo replication. So the other importance of the DNA repair mechanism is what? That protect against any cancerous disease and it can prevent aging. Aging ስንል እንግዲህ ተፈጥሮ እንግዲህ ኤጂንግ ማለት ወይም ደግሞ እርጅና ተፈጥሮ ነው። ነገር ግን ያለ እድሜ ማርጀትን ምን ያደርጋል ማለት ነው? ይከላከላል ማለት ነው። that is why it prevents what without the basically it can prevent against or protect against aging, cancer and neurodegenerative diseases like xeroderma pigmentosum and so forth. Here the next type of the DNA repair mechanism is what? Mismatch repair mechanism. That is why mismatch, incorrect matching incorrect base pairing that is why mismatch repair acts like a proofreaders proofread ወይም ደግሞ incorrect base pairing ግን ምን ማድረግ ማለት ነው? signify or recognize ማድረግ then it can correct the mismatches. Such for example, adenine is expected to pair with thymine, but here adenine with cytosine, guanine with thymine is incorrect or mismatch repair system ነው ማለት ነው. So this repair can be done with a mismatch repair mechanism, small insertion or deletion type of loops or DNA nitrogenous bases, maintaining genomic stability by identifying the new strands, and it is very important to exit the faulty segments or the faulty mismatched pairs and filling the gap with correct nucleotides or nitrogenous base. Correct የሆነውን nitrogenous base ምን ማድረግ ማለት ነው? መተካት ወይም ደግሞ ማስገባት ከዛ ዳሜጁን ምን ማድረግ ማለት ነው? ሪፔር ማድረግ። ሶ ሲሊንግ ዘ ኒክ ዋንስ ኢትስ ፍራግመንትድ በተለይ ችግር ካለ ለምሳሌ እዚህ ከዚህ እስከዚህ ጋር ያለች ምን ካለው ማለት ነው ይሄ ሴግመንት የተጎዳ ከሆነ ወይም ደግሞ ችግር ካለበት ምን ማድረግ ነው? ክሌቭድ ያደርግና ወይም ደግሞ ፎልቲውን ያስወጣና ምን ማድረግ ማለት ነው? አዲስ ወይም ደግሞ ጋፑን በሌላ አዲስ ኒውክሊዮታይድ ሲኩዌንስ መሙላት ማለት ነው። then it will be seal the nick ክፍተቱ ምን ማድረግ አለበት? መታሰር መሞላት አለበት within DNA ligase enzyme preventing mutation linked to cancer and instability. Good. So this mismatch repair mechanism or mismatched bases and small insertion or deletion due to errors in DNA replication. Such, for example, this is guanine, as I said, this is also thiamines. It is mismatched base pairing. እዚህ ጋር እንደምትመለከቱ ጋዋኒን ከታያሚን ጋር ነው የሚያሳየው ማለት ነው። ነገር ግን ሌሎች ብትመለከቱ ኮሬክትሊ ማችድ ያደረጉ ናቸው። አደናይን ዊዝ ታያሚን፣ ታያሚን ዊዝ አደናይን፣ ጋዋኒን ዊዝ ሳይቶሲን፣ ሳይቶሲን ጋዋኒን፣ ታያሚን አደናይን፣ አደናይን ታያሚን። በት ሂር ጋዋኒን ዊዝ ታያሚን ሳይሆን ጋዋኒን ዊዝ ሳይቶሲን ወይም ደግሞ ታያሚን ዊዝ አደናይን ነበር መሆን ያለበት። ስለዚህ ምን ያደርጋል? ሚስማቹን ሪኮግናይዝ ካደረገ በኋላ ኢትስ ክሌቭድ ማለት ነው። ክሌቭ አድርጎ ቆርጦ ማውጣት ማለት ኢን ቦዝ ስትራንድስ ማለት ነው። that is why mismatch repair will be replaced ይደረጋል በሌላ ጋፕ ወይም ደግሞ ክፍተቱ በሌላ ናይትሮጂኔስ ቤዝ ወይም ደግሞ ኒውክሊዮታይድ ሲኩዌንስ ይሞላል ማለት ነው። mismatch repair system must be first recognize the mismatch ችግር አለ የለም የሚለውን መጀመሪያ ሪኮግናይዝ ማድረግ አለበት። then next identify newly replicated strands new replicated strandን ምን ማድረግ አለበት? መለየት አለበት ማለት ነው። then replace the incorrect base by the correct base, the correct base replace ማድረግ ይኖርብናል። So the fourth type of DNA repair mechanism is double-stranded break repair mechanism, which is crucial for maintaining genomic integrity as well as is fixing severe DNA damage like breaks in both strands. That's why in one the DNA is what is the double strands that is primarily through two mechanisms or two pathways. that is why double strand double ነው የሚለው double strand break ሁለቱንም ወይም ደግሞ ደብሉን ብሬክ በማድረግ የሚስተካከል or repair system ይባላል። so the first repair system or pathway is non-homologous end joining or NHEJ is a fast but error prone, is susceptible for what error or incorrectness or wrongness ብዙ ጊዜ በጣም ፋስት ፈጣን ስለሆነ ለስህተት የተዳረገ ነው ማለት ነው። this method is directly ligates what broken ends ሁለቱንም ኢንዶች ብሬክ ሊያደርግ ይችላል። then the other pathways of the double strand break repair mechanism is homologous recombination mechanisms. It is slower as relative to that of non-homologous end joining, but it is more accurate and that uses uses a sister chromatids and homologous chromosome as a template and common in S and G2 phase of the cell cycles. These double-stranded break repair mechanisms can break and can correct both strands of the DNA, and it will make it what genomic integrity by maintaining the correct base pairing as well as the correct strandings. So the next one is disease associated with DNA repair mechanisms. So that's why the first one is, and it is common, one is xeroderma pigmentosum, which is caused by failure of DNA repair mechanism. If the dimer or the pyrimidine dimer is not expected to be repaired, it can lead to what xeroderma pigmentosum. ይሄ pyrimidine dimer ወይም ደግሞ thiamine dimer repair የማይደረግ ከሆነ that is why nucleotide excision repair mechanism የማይሰራ ከሆነ it can lead to what xeroderma pigmentosum ማለት ነው። this is why due to the exposure with UV light or ultraviolet rays is not removed. So patients lack with what endonuclease enzyme that cleaves the exonuclease or particularly the thiamine dimer, which is what's exposed within that of ultraviolet rays. But endonuclease ከሌለው thiamine dimer removed መሆን ወይም ደግሞ repair መደረግ ስለማይችል ማለት ነው። So this xeroderma pigmentosum has symptoms. Common symptom is what high sensitivity to ultraviolet rays and blister on skin. በተለይ ደግሞ የቆዳ መሰነጣጠቅ ወይም ደግሞ ፈረካከስ ማለት ነው። ሃይፐር ፒግመንቴሽን ወይም ደግሞ ከለር በጣም ፒግመንት ፊታችን ላይ እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት ፊት ላይ በተለይ ቆዳ ላይ የሚመረከቱ ወይም ደግሞ is susceptible for eye cancer and skin cancers. atrophy of the affected skins atrophy ይታያል እዚህ ጋር ስኪናችን በጣም የተጎዳው ስኪን ላይ እዛ ላይ ማለት ነው። patients die within complications of skin cancer and eye cancers. So it's protective ointment like sun blockers, right, from ultraviolet rays are beneficial to protect against that of xeroderma pigmentosum. The other the DNA repair mechanism associated disease or related disease is Bloom syndrome, which is an autosomal recessive disorder. Chromosomal breaks and rearrangement is the cause for that of Bloom syndrome, and genetic defect and defective DNA ligase enzyme. If this DNA ligase is very important to seal the gaps or to fill the gaps by what nicking the gaps, but if this is defective, there is a gap in between the nitrogenous bases or in the nucleotide sequences. So clinical manifestation is facial erythema. There is also photosensitivity is the major clinical manifestations of this Bloom syndrome, but the cause is the defective DNA ligase enzymes. So this is all about DNA repair mechanisms. That is why we have 4 types of DNA repair mechanisms: nucleotide excision repair mechanism, the base excision repair mechanism, mismatch repair mechanism, and that of the double strand break excision repair mechanisms. ስለዚህ እነዚህ አራቱን አይተናል ማለት ነው። I think it is clear and easy. So ስለነበረን ቆይታ ከልብ እያመሰገን ይህንን ቻናል ግን ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ ቤተሰብ ትሆኑ ዘንድ የአክብሮት ግብዣችን ነው። በቀጣይ ስለ ትራንስክሪፕሽን ትራንስሌሽን እንዲሁም ደግሞ ጄኔቲክ ኮድ የሚሉትን እንመለከታለን ማለት ነው። እስከዛው ድረስ በያላችሁበት ሰናይ ጊዜ. Have a nice time. We'll see you again.